WinGD, Winterthur Gas and Diesel, a Swiss company, is the world's leading manufacturer of large marine diesel engines. The 1.4 RT Flex 96C engine, developed by WinGD, is one of the world's largest and most powerful diesel engines, specially designed to power giant container ships. With its enormous power and advanced technology, this engine has become an icon of the modern marine industry. Maximum power of 80,080 kilowatts at 102 revolutions per minute. Each cylinder has a power of about 5,720 kilowatts, height 13.5 meters, length 26.5 meters, weight 2,300 tons, including 14 inline cylinders, piston stroke length 2.5 meters, with cylinder diameter 96 centimeters. Engine uses heavy fuel oil, HFO, with very high fuel efficiency. Average consumption of 170 grams per kilowatt-hour, significantly reducing operating costs. RT Flex control system does not use mechanical cams, but instead electronic control, optimizing fuel injection and exhaust. Precise lubrication system, providing only the necessary amount of oil for each cylinder, reducing wear and saving lubricating oil. The engine is capable of continuous operation for a long time with high efficiency, meeting the needs of maritime transport, used in giant container ships such as MMRsk, capable of transporting thousands of TEU. The power of 1.4 RT Flex 96C helps push tankers or cargo ships with a load capacity of up to hundreds of thousands of tons. Watch WinGD assemble the 1.4 RT Flex 96C engine at their factory. Cylinders and pistons made from super durable alloy materials that can withstand high heat and pressure. Each piston weighs approximately 5.5 tons and is non-destructively tested, NDT, to ensure that there are no defects. Crankshaft weighs approximately 300 tons and is precisely machined with extremely small tolerances. Electronic control system, manufactured in high-tech factories, ensuring absolute precision and reliability. The crankshaft is mounted on the main engine frame, using a special crane to move and assemble. The cylinders are installed in the engine body using automatic robots, ensuring concentricity and tightness. Hydraulic systems are installed to operate the intake/exhaust valves and fuel injection. Lubrication systems are tested to ensure adequate oil supply to all components. Electronic valves and sensors are installed to control the entire engine operation. The control system is connected to a testing center to ensure operating efficiency. All components are tested for pressure, tightness, and function. The engine is operated at various loads to test performance, fuel consumption, and emissions, ensuring stable engine operation under real-world conditions. The engine is coated to resist corrosion in marine environments. WinGD's 1.4 RT Flex 96C diesel engine represents the pinnacle of marine engine manufacturing technology. With powerful performance, modern technology, and durable operation, this engine plays an important role in the global shipping industry. Steam turbine blades play an important role in converting steam energy into mechanical energy. Ethos Energy provides comprehensive blade repair and upgrade services, including repairing damaged blades, repairing cracks, holes, or deformations on blades by repair welding, grinding and reshaping the surface, strengthening the mechanical strength of blades by specialized heat treatment processes. All repaired or replaced blades are dynamically balanced to ensure stable operation at high speeds. Advanced balancing technology helps reduce vibration and prolongs turbine life. Ethos Energy's Worcester, UK facility provides specialist services for steam turbine and compressor blades, diaphragms, nozzles, and field services on steam turbines and compressors. The 20,000 square feet dedicated blade polishing room, 540 square feet inspection/processing room, and 7,000 square feet rotor repair room are equipped with advanced technology and staffed by skilled engineers and craftsmen. Ethos Energy's repair and refurbishment methods significantly extend the life of steam turbines and blades, saving on new investment costs. Aerodynamic and material upgrades make turbines more efficient, reducing energy consumption. All services comply with international standards, ensuring high quality and long-term reliability. Hankook R25W is a high-quality CNC lathe manufactured by Hankook Machine Tools, a reputable Korean company in the field of industrial machinery manufacturing. The machine is specially designed for processing large rollers, mills, and large-sized parts in the steel, oil and gas, energy, and marine industries. With a sturdy structure, advanced technology, and high automation, Hankook R25W brings outstanding efficiency in processing complex parts that require high precision. Machine frame, made from solid cast iron with high rigidity, ensuring load-bearing capacity and reducing vibration during machining. Slideway, use linear slideway or rigid box slideway, boxway, helping to improve accuracy and increase machine life. Strong and flexible tool bed, allowing a variety of machining tools, from rough turning to finishing turning. Machine using CNC operating systems such as Fanuc, Siemens, or Mitsubishi, providing a friendly interface, easy to program, and integrating many automation features. The machining simulation function helps the operator check the program before actual machining, minimizing errors. The workpiece used for machining is usually alloy steel or super hard material, prepared according to the required size. Use a large chuck or special holder to hold the workpiece firmly during machining. Large and heavy workpieces are often supported by centers and moving bearings to reduce deflection. Program the machining process with G-code or use integrated CAM software to create toolpaths. Perform program simulation on the CNC control system to check the accuracy and optimize the toolpath. Use a roughing tool to remove most of the material, bringing the workpiece to the approximate size. High spindle rotation speed, large cutting angle turning tool to achieve maximum productivity. Use measuring equipment to ensure the workpiece meets the requirements before moving to finishing. Use a more precise cutter with a lower spindle speed and a small cutting depth to achieve a smooth and precise surface. The CNC system automatically compensates for temperature to maintain accuracy during machining. If necessary, perform light grinding to achieve smoothness and high gloss. Surface treatment with methods such as coating or polishing is required. The Hankook R25W CNC lathe is the ideal solution for businesses that need to process large parts and require high precision. With modern technology, stable performance, and diverse processing capabilities, the Hankook R25W not only helps improve product quality, but also optimizes production efficiency. Ethos Energy is a world leader in the provision of services and solutions for gas turbines, steam turbines, generators, and other rotating equipment. With a global network and more than 20 years of experience, Ethos Energy provides customized manufacturing, repair, and maintenance services to optimize the performance and extend the life of industrial equipment. Ethos Energy uses advanced design tools such as CAD, computer-aided design, and CFD, computational fluid dynamics, to develop gas turbines with high efficiency and good heat resistance. The turbines are designed to operate under harsh conditions, ensuring long-term durability and optimal performance. Turbine blades are made of high-strength alloys such as nickel or cobalt, which are resistant to high temperatures and oxidation. Precision casting is used to create complex shapes and ensure material consistency. Turbine discs precision machined using 5-axis CNC machines, ensuring concentricity and stability at high speeds. Casing and ducting systems, manufactured from stainless steel or heat-resistant alloys, welded and machined to ensure optimal aerodynamic flow. After fabrication, gas turbine components are heat-treated to enhance mechanical properties, including strength, wear resistance, and heat resistance. Non-destructive testing, NDT, such as ultrasonic and X-ray, is performed to detect potential defects in materials. Turbine components are assembled according to standard procedures with high precision. Prior to delivery, turbines are tested under actual operating conditions to ensure performance and reliability. Turbines manufactured and repaired by Ethos Energy follow international standards, ensuring stable operation for a long time. They also provide cost-effective repair and upgrade solutions, helping customers save significantly compared to complete replacement. Turbines are designed and maintained to achieve the highest efficiency, reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Ethos Energy is a strategic partner for businesses in the energy industry, providing high-quality gas turbines and comprehensive repair services. With modern technology, professional technicians, and a commitment to quality, Ethos Energy helps optimize performance, extend equipment life, and minimize operating costs, contributing to the sustainable development of the global energy industry. Rolls-Royce is one of the world's leading companies in the field of aviation engine manufacturing, with more than a century of experience. The Trent XWB engine is one of Rolls-Royce's most advanced products, specially designed for the Airbus A350 XWB family. It is a high-performance turbofan jet engine, recognized as one of the most fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly engines in the aviation industry. With a bypass ratio of over 9:1, the Trent XWB provides high thrust with low fuel consumption. The Trent XWB uses advanced materials and heat-resistant ceramic coatings. The engine can operate at high temperatures, improving fuel combustion efficiency. Large engine fan, made of titanium alloy, the fan blades are light and strong, ensuring high aerodynamic performance. Advanced compression system, including high and low pressure compressors, which enhance air compression and optimize combustion efficiency. The Trent XWB is designed with a sound-reducing fan nacelle and an optimized exhaust system, which significantly reduces operating noise. The engine reduces carbon dioxide emissions by up to 25% compared to the previous generation, meeting the most stringent environmental standards. Rolls-Royce integrates sensors and intelligent data systems. The engine is capable of self-monitoring, detecting problems, and optimizing operations in real time. Rolls-Royce assembles the Trent XWB at its state-of-the-art manufacturing center in Derby, England. This process requires absolute precision and uses high technology to ensure the quality of each engine. Key components such as the fan, compressor, combustion chamber, and turbine are manufactured individually with advanced technology. The Trent XWB is divided into many modules for easy assembly and maintenance. For example, the installation of the engine fan with a protective cover, ensuring a stable inlet airflow. The high and low pressure air compressors are assembled with absolute precision. The fuel combustion system is installed, ensuring the ability to operate under high temperature conditions. The high and low pressure turbines are carefully assembled to convert the gas energy into thrust. The modules are connected together with a precise bolt and screw system, with the support of automated robots to reduce errors. Wiring systems and sensors are installed around the engine, ensuring seamless connection to the central control system. After passing all the tests, the engine is cleaned, the outer shell is installed, and prepared for delivery. With modern manufacturing and assembly processes, Trent XWB not only provides outstanding performance, but also contributes to shaping the sustainable future of the aviation industry.